In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect any problem or anything that is wrong with your YouTube channel and how to fix it properly. It is very simple. Now, let me show you how to do that. First, I'm on my Chrome browser right now. So what I'll need to do is to go to the affected channel that you feel that you've been posting video and it is not going well. So I'll go to my youtube.com and then from my YouTube, I will head on to my profile. So I'll click on my profile here and click on view profile. Now, what I needed from here is my username or my URL. This is the channel URL. Let me use my username for this tutorial. So I will copy my username here. When I copy my username, I will head on to this Google search and type AI Tube Tools. AI Tube Tools. Now, when you search for this AI Tube Tools, the first website that will pop up is aitubetools.com. So I'll click on it. So now on the left hand side of the window, you see some dashboard here. We have AI tools, we have video tools, and then we have channel tools. But I will go straight to channel audit. Let me close this ads. Now on this channel audit, there is a space provided for URL or username. So I will now paste my username here and click on search. Now it has searched my channel and the audit score says I have 73%. That means I have 27% work need to be done on the channel. First off, it says I have 1.3k subscribers with 75 videos and 10.5k views and 9 playlists. Now, according to the audit, it says I have my channel statistics is good, content overview is good, channel name is good, channel profile is good, channel banner is good, channel country is also good, social link, that is the link attached to my channel, is good, but I'm having problem with SEO reports and channel description and channel keywords. So these are the major places where I'm having problem with my channel. Now, before I click on this SEO report, let's check out this channel keywords. Now I'll click on this channel keywords. Let's read the feedback. According to the feedback, it says too many keywords, your channel SEO is at risk. So when you jam pack a lot of keywords in your channel, your channel is going to be stuck there. There's going to be problem. So what I need to do is to go to my YouTube studio, under settings, under channel settings, and remove most of these keywords and put my target keywords that align with the channel. Then secondly, we have here channel description. And according to the feedback, it says the shorter, the better. Your channel description is slightly lengthy. So this is what is making it bad. My channel description has to be simple in such a way that once somebody click on it, the person will automatically know what the channel is all about. So what I'll need to do here, maybe I'll remove this line. I'll remove this line and then summarize this first sentence and remove this here and go straight to subscribe. But I will leave this bullet point because this is what actually tells what the channel is all about. And lastly, the SEO report. According to the feedback here, it says the channel names spotted only in description and in handle. That means under keywords, there's no channel name. When I go to my YouTube studio I'm supposed to include the under the keywords, I'm supposed to include the channel name here. Then when you check carefully, that means your channel name is supposed to appear in your description, it's supposed to appear in your handle, and it's also supposed to appear in your keywords. So this is how you do it. Now, for the keywords, like I said, you are going to take your channel name and put it under this keyword here from your YouTube studio. For those of you that don't know how to fix this in YouTube studio, I'll be releasing a video next for you on how to fix this in YouTube studio. And then the fact that some of the audit indicates that some areas of my channel are good, it doesn't mean that yours will be good. You may see good, you may see bad, but depending on what you see, you fix accordingly. And this is the perfect way to do it. If you are a new viewers here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you found this video very useful, click the like button and follow me for more. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Have a lovely day.